Valgro wood sanding machine is to polishing the wood. It having the control panel with conveyor speed controller, on-off button, reverse/forward switch and emergency kill switch button. Abrasive belt connect with the machine and it will rotate with high speed to remove the burr from wood stick and give complete finish. With the planetary system, the tube is not spinning. The soft contact with abrasive belts with planetary system has a very low heat on the tube surface, unlike other conventional systems. It was designed to finish either straight tubes automatically or bent tubes manually. The auto-feeding system transports straight tubes safely and automatically through the finishing station, enabling a consistent and high productive tube polishing quality. This machine having the fast process of sanding, and it will also save time of the production.